Do No Sinful Action by Cecil Frances Alexander, 1818 to 1895. Do no sinful action, speak no angry word. Ye belong to Jesus, children of the Lord. Christ is kind and gentle, Christ is pure and true, and his little children must be holy too. There's a wicked spirit watching round you still, and he tries to tempt you to all harm and ill. But ye must not hear him, though 'tis hard for you to resist the evil and the good to do. For ye promised truly in your infant days to renounce him wholly and forsake his ways. Ye are newborn Christians, ye must learn to fight with the bad within you and to do the right. Jesus is our master, he is good and true, and his little children must be holy too.